Welcome guys to the numeric YouTube channel Numeric Galaxy, in which we are going to discuss the third number question. In the given figure, equal sides BA and CA of triangle ABC are produced to Q and P respectively, such that AP is equal to AQ. Prove that PB is equal to QC. Here, this is the question and the figure it is here. In the given figure, so as this is the question for proving, so we have to follow some patterns. First of all, what is given, you will have to mention. What is given, you will have to mention. So you see, first of all, you write what is given. Don't be in hurry. In the given figure, equal sides of BA and CA of triangle ABC. BA and CA, this side and this side of triangle ABC is equal. So angle AB is equal to CA. It is given. And AP is equal to AQ. This is also given. Okay. And next, what is to prove? PB to prove. You will have to write what is to prove. To prove PB is equal to QC. PB is equal to QC. You are to prove. You are to prove PB is equal to QC. Okay. Now we have to prove PB is equal to QC. It means it is already met. Now we come to proof. In a triangle APAB, in triangle, you see, PAB and triangle QAC. AB is equal to CA. See, it is given. You will have to mention the reason also. First. Second part, AP is equal to AQ. It is also given. And the to be congruent, these two angles, this angle should be equal to this angle. Third, angle PAB is equal to angle QAC. No, it's not given, but it is vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So you got the three criteria to prove triangle PAB and QAC congruent. So triangle PAB is congruent to triangle QAC, and this is by which criteria? It is SAS proved. So what was you to prove? PB. So PB is equal to B is equal to QC. QC. CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And this is proved. In this way, it is proved. Guys, see it carefully.